Alright, gentlemen. We're here with Wahheads, and we have a Mario tier list of enemies. Who do we start with?
We can just go in order.
The classic Goomba.
Should we name
Well, they
Yeah,
could just be
start with
like
the classic
that.
Goomba.
Oh, we got
Honestly, the classic Goomba.
God tier.
God, I feel like he's A. I feel like he's A tier.
That's fair.
I feel B, C, around there.
Actually, high B.
High B? Okay.
He's not really
We'll put him
A
at the
tier.
top of B.
He's generic.
It's like,
you
it's
know?
original, it's classic, and that's why it's good.
It's
but then you
classic,
look at
yeah.
the design and you realize, what is going on? What
I
is
know.
this thing?
It's a little strange, so.
Anyways,
Alright, we have the dinosaur. What's his name, Ultra?
Ultra, you're
Rex.
the wiki. Rex, okay.
Rex.
from Mario World.
he's our guy. Honestly, he was kind of annoying, and I didn't really like him that much, so I'm gonna say C.
Yeah.
I'd say like a high B, maybe over Goomba, because it takes 3 hits
Over
to kill him.
Goomba. Well,
Oh,
it's,
no,
it's,
not
it's
over
like style
Goomba.
points, the
Not
difficulty
over the
factor.
Goomba.
I think it's everything. So, he looks really
It's just how
dumb.
we feel
he
about
looks
it. Definitely
dumb,
not over
so I might put
Goomba.
him below Goomba, actually. Like,
Yeah,
the way
he's
he
like a
looks-
copy and paste of Yoshi, except with horns, so put him below
And
Goomba.
then he gets like a pancake. He becomes a pancake and
The
just
copy and paste of Yoshi is Boshi.
Right.
Alright, we
got-
got the mole.
Boshi,
Got
guys.
the mole, dude.
That guy's like an A tier.
Yeah.
We love him, man.
How
Look
do
at
you
how
feel?
happy he
moles.
is. He's just dumb.
We
Wait, you
gotta
gotta make
love
him
the
jump
moles.
up into the tier.
Okay, okay.
Wait.
There we go.
Yo, there he goes.
He's up there. I don't
Look
know if he's
at him
gonna be
go.
the top,
Alright.
but he's high up there. Boo!
Yeah, Boo
The
is
classic
good.
Boo.
We
I don't-
love him.
I'm really feeling God tier. I don't know why, but thoughts?
Yeah, Boo's like classic. Like, who doesn't love Boo?
Yeah. and
That's
he's-
true.
he's like
I used to play as
everything.
Boo all the time before I chose Luigi, man. So I'm not gonna lie. Maybe like, is he God tier? Is he God
Low
tier?
S.
Look,
High A, low S.
Nah, God tier.
yeah,
Then I gotta change this. Garbage.
garbage.
Okay,
Yeah, garbage.
Koopa.
Alright.
My man's Koopa.
Honestly, I think Koopa is better than Goomba
Oh,
because
yeah.
he's like, bah, bah, you know,
He's
he
got
does his
so
little
good
dance.
stats. And then he dances in like the.
I know.
road
I think he's A tier.
Yeah, but
he's definitely A
Goomba
tier.
jumps.
Better
Goomba
than
jumps
Monty
when-
Mole?
No, he's not
Goomba
better than
does
Monty
jump.
Mole.
Goomba does.
He's like
Luigi.
he's right behind Monty.
kind of.
Alright, up next. Who is that, bro? What?
I just know he's from like the Mario and
Garbage.
Luigi
Keep
games.
him in.
Like that's about it.
He's in garbage.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know
There's
him.
not really much to say about him. I know he's like bees. He got honey though. That's about it.
Alright. Look who's up next.
Bonsai Bill. This is
The
a
Bullet William.
Bonsai
It's not-
Bill,
Wait, oh, that is
Yeah.
Bonsai.
Ultra. You're the
I
wiki.
didn't
What do
see
you
it.
do
I
with
didn't
it?
He's
see the
not
mouth.
he's not as good
I
as
didn't see the
Bullet
mouth.
Yeah, he's
because he
definitely
doesn't have
worse.
arms. He doesn't have
Yeah.
arms and he's easily
He can't dab you
avoided. So
up.
I'm gonna say C, bro.
True.
Oh
And you
yeah.
can't
bad,
dab
kinda
up
bad.
that one, so that's why he's worse.
I know.
And
Alright,
Alright.
Sniff it. So
Sniff
it's just
it. I
Shiny
kinda
Armor
like him.
Mask. I
Yeah.
think he's fine. But like
He's
he's
alright.
definitely
He
worse
goes
than.
with he's in C.
worse
He's in C.
than- I
He's
think
not good,
under
but
Rex.
he's alright.
worse than the original. For sure.
I mean,
Alright, Lakitu.
I mean, look.
My dude.
Lakitu is either high A tier or
Yeah.
God tier.
I'd say A tier.
Yeah, I think after Koopa actually.
After Koopa. So in front of no, below him, right?
No, after him.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
There we go.
It's going up there.
No, behind
Oh wait,
Koopa, I mean. Alright,
Wiggler.
Go, God tier.
Wiggler got tier.
Actually,
Put him in
Immediate
front of
got tier
Boo.
over
In
Boo.
front of Boo.
Yeah,
True.
in front.
Wiggler is king. Alright, We
I
got
there's no
Bully.
discussion there. Bully.
I know.
We,
Bully.
we
Bully's
got
up
Bully.
next.
Bullies.
Honestly, he looks really weird.
A
Make a
tier.
new tier for him, bro.
Make a new tier.
Go
Okay, what do you
home.
want the where? Go home? Below what? Is it
Under
above
garbage, under
garbage?
garbage.
Under garbage.
Under
Under
garbage?
garbage.
Okay, okay, okay.
Go home.
There we go.
Get him out of here.
Blooper.
Bloopa. He's an A tier,
Nice.
honestly.
Yeah,
Above Koopa.
Above Lakitu.
above Lakitu. Above Koopa.
I Lakitu or Koopa. Honestly, I think Lakitu.
I'll decide this. I'm gonna go with Lakitu because they're kind of annoying to dodge.
Yeah.
And stuff. The way they
They're
move.
annoying. They're fun,
So
but
what are you
they're
doing
annoying.
here?
Alright, super.
When have you seen these guys? They haven't been in a game in. Well.
No,
They were
they're
first
in like the
in
new
Super Mario World.
Wii.
Yeah,
In
and
Mario
they're in
Bros.
the
Wii.
Super Mario Bros. Games.
I think C.
Yeah.
I'd say B.
Spike, stop.
Alright, Spike. I kinda like Spike. Maybe
That's
B?
not Spike, that's Spike Top.
Yes.
Oh yeah, Spike top. Oh.
Yeah, well, come on, Weegi.
Push the wrong button, jeez. Alright. I think he's a B, a lower B.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
in front of
Yeah.
Rex.
His spike is cooler.
Me and
that's
my
all.
homies hate Rex.
Honestly, though.
Honestly, I feel like
Move him
Rex
down,
is too
move
high.
him
He needs to
down.
go home. Go
going
home.
Wait, wrong place.
No, no,
This is what happens to heroes. Okay, Ultra says no, so we'll put him in D.
Alright, D. That, oh,
It's
that's
the
fair.
compromise. Fine,
My
C,
opinion's
Ultra.
not being heard.
For you, Ultra.
I feel lonely.
Where do
Okay,
you want him? Where
fine.
do you want him?
Fine, that's good, that's good.
Where do you want him, Ultra?
In front of Super.
Okay, yeah, no,
In the
fair.
middle of Sniff It and Super.
Yeah.
Okay,
that seems
this
good.
is literally just an ant, but with 2 legs instead of like actual.
Gar-
He's kind of got sneakers. He's kind of got a drip out.
Oh wait, he's kinda drippy though.
Yeah.
You're right.
I'd
I think-
say a high B.
I say
like where
Piranha
he's-
Plant from
Piranha
Smash
Plant.
Bros.
He's an A, bro.
He made it into Smash. He might be God tier. Bro, he's
But I
Actually,
don't want to
yeah,
get
gotcha.
I don't want to get planted, guys. Think about it. Don't you hate the feeling when you get planted?
I know, man.
He's gonna go.
I think above Blooper
What are these guys
for
called?
now.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't even know.
Yeah.
Ultra.
Those. Oh
Don't
shoot.
fail us.
I
Don't
had,
fail
I had
us.
the name in my mind. I forgot. Just Google
We're gonna
search
call
it
him
in
blueberry
the edit.
boopers. Alright, where do we put the blueberry booper?
D. He kind of looks
D.
dumb though. Like, look at his character. I'm just putting him down to look at his character.
Yeah.
He looks like
I
he's
say
sucked,
D.
he sucked on something like really sour.
Don't worry. I'm searching
Okay,
his name up.
Oh,
Play
I'm
the
oh.
searching
Jeopardy
his name up.
Get the Jeopardy music going. Oh, God.
Boom, 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 boom.
Depending on his name, he might go somewhere better.
Octogoomba. That's what its
Oh
name
god.
Can he just go
He's in
garbage?
D, man.
Can he go
Garbage.
No.
Okay,
That
yeah,
name
I'm good
is
with garbage.
is. No, he's really good. He can shoot
Oh.
rocks out of his mouth.
fair,
Okay.
but like.
High C at most, high C.
Okay, yeah, no, fair.
I'd
In
say
front of
B.
her B.
Bro. I say
Over
high
Snippet.
C.
Yeah, we'll
At
go
most.
over.
Over
Yeah,
That's the
yeah,
compromise.
that's
Snippet.
Okay,
We'll meet in the middle.
Spiny.
Bro, Spike. Spiny, bro.
Why do you call everything
Spike.
Spiny?
Guys, please.
What is it with
It's Spike, bro.
guys? That's where it's Spiny. I feel like
Spiny.
he's A tier.
Spike. Yeah, honestly. Actually, I think he's right next to his bro, Spike Top. In front of him, though.
Yeah, in front of him.
Yeah.
They're looking at each
That seems good.
other. Okay,
They're like-
Hammer
He's just
Bro.
a better Spike
Hammer
Top.
Bro.
Hammer Bro is up there.
He's up there. I definitely.
Questionably above Koopa.
Okay, bro, this is
Definitely.
literally just Koopa with a hammer and a helmet.
I know.
He's got the swag.
Honestly,
Yeah.
he's swagger, bro.
But then
He's
again,
tricky.
his hammers are impossible to dodge in the first Mario game. My opinion is like a B.
Okay, we'll put him in front of Black 2. Is that okay?
Yeah,
Because
that sounds good.
Yeah.
me and Weegi said A, and then you said B, so. Like, he's in A, but.
He got
not
nerfed. Alright.
Fuzzy.
At the
Yo.
average state.
Bro, look at
Fuzzy.
him.
Fuzzy.
He's on something.
God
Look
tier.
at him. God tier. No,
He's
no,
God
He's
tier.
not God tier.
He's God tier. Come on, look at him.
Oh, you're right, you're right.
The more I look at him, the more he's begging me to put him in God tier.
I know,
I
I know.
can't resist.
Do it.
But
Do
bottom
it.
of
Just
God
look
tier.
at his
Okay,
face.
okay.
Bro.
The home.
All right, we got the Womp.
Womp. Womp is in the lead.
Womp
right
dominance. That's all I'm saying.
Now, bro.
Yeah.
Womp solos. Bro, Chain Chomp.
Yeah.
We got the doggo.
Chain Chomp.
How do you-
He's
We
in.
got the dog.
Bro, he's at like the top of A, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, top
It's
A.
pretty cool. I
Like,
love
he's
Chain
really
Chomp.
good.
Chain Chomp is awesome. He's just a dog.
There's nothing bad about
There's
him.
something wrong
Really.
with him. Why is it just the head? Are we
It's just
ranking
his
the
head.
head or like
That
the
made me
entire
laugh,
thing? No,
honestly.
I guess we're doing
No,
the
we're
head.
ranking the whole thing.
Okay,
No,
then
it's the whole
Okay,
thing.
fine, fair.
I think, yeah. In front of the ant.
Yeah. He's pretty
Front, I'd say in front of the Spike Top, maybe the Spiny.
good. Yeah, I feel like he's
We
below
gotta
Spiny though.
separate
He's kind of
them.
just worse Spiny, but
Yeah.
tall.
That's true.
Okay.
Bullet
Yeah, bullet.
Bill. There
Bullet
he
William.
is. He's in God tier, honestly.
Honestly.
Yeah.
Above,
Yeah, above Fuzzy.
bro.
Fuzzy is bottom of
Yeah,
God tier.
that's good.
I'm sorry, Ultra.
Yeah. That makes sense,
We
yeah.
just put these in.
Wait. Go home.
Yo.
Go home.
No.
Go home.
Okay, Ultra doesn't want them. Okay, where do you want
Okay,
them, Ultra?
D.
I'd say C. It's like,
Bro.
it
Two
exists,
D's.
but I don't care about it.
Yeah, putting him in D
I
then.
acknowledge-
I
It's
feel
D,
like
bro.
Dry Bones! Let's go.
Drive.
Yo. Instantly
Bro,
God tier,
Actually,
above Boo.
Yeah. Above Boo, yeah,
Then
yeah.
Oh,
We love him.
the Bob.
Bob-omb is like
A.
right next to Koopa.
Yeah,
After or
I'd
before?
agree.
I think
Before. Right?
after.
I mean, like, bob-ombs are chaotic, and if you're playing a multiplayer
there.
game,
So good.
if there's a
like
multiplayer game where you
bob-ombs.
can...
Yeah, where's
Fight
Toadette on
other
this
people?
list? Where can we put Toadette?
The true enemy.
Yo, yeah, true. That's the true enemy.
Honestly, I think like above Rex and C.
Yeah, I think
I don't
the
really
only
like
thing he
the
has going for him
boomerang
is
bros.
his strip. He's kind of more.
They're kind of cringe.
Yeah.
Okay, this is literally just a
Alright.
black.
Boo bomb.
Yeah, boo bomb.
The boo, the boo bomb.
It's just.
Everyone
kinda
loves him.
Can we just put it in D?
He's better than Bob-omb. He's a
What?
boo, but a Bob-omb.
No, he's definitely not. He's definitely not better than Bob-omb. I say
Boo or a Bob-omb. God
no.
tier.
I say he's in front of the ant, bro. That's as far as I'm gonna put him.
If you spin in Mario Galaxy, you can hold onto
Don't do
his
it.
tongue.
I have to do it for Ultra. This is the Don't do it, man. Don't
And then
do
you
it.
can slam it onto the wall and it explodes like a Bob-omb.
There's no way he's in front of Piranha Plant, bro. He's behind Piranha Plant. Yeah, that's
We
good. That's
put, we put Boo into God tier and then Bob-omb into A tier. This is a mix of both of them. This is a mix of
It's
both of
But
them.
like, look at him. He's got like
And he-
really bad teeth.
He's kind of goofy. Like he's British.
He's weird. Bro, look
He
at
needs
those
to go to a
dentures.
dentist.
So does Fuzzy.
He's
Actually.
Sorry,
Yes.
British fans out there. Sorry, Specs.
All those British fans.
Mecha. Man, I forgot his name.
Bro, Mecha
Mecha
Koopa.
Oh
Koopa.
my god. Mecha
He's
Koopa.
pretty good. I think B, honestly. I like him.
Yeah.
In front of the
B.
Ant Trooper. He's like the better Ant Trooper.
Okay, you know what? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now Swamp.
Swamp,
Swamp.
bro. He's in at least A, if not God tier.
He's definitely worse
Yeah.
than Swamp, honestly.
Put him at top. Top of A.
Oh my god, I forgot
Bro.
Sledge, bro.
Yo,
Bro,
the Flex
is he
Bro.
in God tier? I think he's in God tier. In front of
Yeah, I
Fuzzy.
mean, like,
in front of Fuzzy.
he stuns you. He stuns you.
I know, I
and then
know.
he
He's so
kills
big.
you.
A
Like,
big
that's just
lad.
really
But
good.
then look at the next kid guy.
Spike. There he is.
Above Womp. Above Womp. Above Womp.
What?
Yes.
You're not fair. I'm not gonna deny
Spike
it.
solos.
Rip
Cam
off
Maker's in there.
supremacy. That's only just
He's-
Magic
he's
Koopa.
like the
this
second
is just Magic
command.
Koopa, Weegi. This is not
No,
specifically
this is
Kamek.
that's Magic Koopa, not
Unfortunately, it's
Kamek.
not
They're the
specifically
same.
Kamek.
They're the same race, but that's Magic Koopa,
Yeah.
not Kamek.
Bro, I've just been UltraMario'd.
He goes in D tier because of his mouth.
Did you make a false statement about a Nintendo character?
Where should he go?
Rah!
Where should he go?
He can create more
yeah,
Goombas.
he's behind the bros.
He's behind the bros, yeah.
Bandit.
Go home. Go
Yeah.
home.
Go
Go
home. Yeah.
home. Get him out.
This is the guy that blows
Bro,
balls.
Piranha Plant with legs.
He literally just blows balls.
Plants.
and
Look
runs
at
around.
him.
He's
He's droopy. Look at his stand.
He's got the
God
stance!
tier,
Wait a
look.
second!
Just look at him. God tier, come on.
Yeah, no, what? You're not. Wait.
Oh, it's hard.
Behind Fuzzy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Behind
Fuzzy,
Fuzzy.
yeah.
Dude, this guy though.
Urchin.
Garbage. Get him
You know
out.
what? He is
Should we just make a tier
he's
for all
just
the
a
water
puffer
ones? Just get him out.
Yeah.
Just call it water.
Cringe water.
Cringe water.
Okay, Buzzy Beetle. Buzzy Beetles might be god tier.
Not God tier though.
Yeah.
I think in front of Blue.
Right next to Spike Top. Next to Spike Top.
Actually,
because
yeah.
All the way? No, not Spike. Spike top. Spike top. Where from?
And B.
And B. Oh, this is fine.
No, it's
I completely forgot about him. Honestly, that's how forgettable
Shy
he
guy.
is.
Shy guy. Immediate God. Immediate
He's
God
Let
tier.
me put him up. Wait, can we just make a new tier for Shy Guy?
Oh yeah, Shy Guy.
Thank you.
Yes.
He went up there
Hold
anyways.
on. Shy Guy tier.
Shy God.
Put him up there. Shy God.
Shy guy.
There he
He's
is.
just a Shy God.
And
The
actually,
perfect list.
before we finish this, we've got one more enemy to put up there. If we
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
put it in right now, we'll just
Alright.
put
Okay,
it
okay. Yep, it's
in
time.
editing.
One.
It's time. Put it
One. Wait. The king,
orange
the
as the
god of
color.
them all.
orange, okay.
Wait.
Yeah.
We
make
don't
the
know what's
color orange
coming.
just to fit. Make the orange.
Editing
Make it
magic.
orange. to
Come
fit.
on. Hold on. Wait for it.
Orange.
Wait for it. Grindel. There he is.
Del.
The king of them all.
Quandel Grindel.
Grindel. Quandel and Grindel.
Grindel.
I messed
Alright,
up the colors
gentlemen.
down.
It's been fun. It's been good.
Now this is the
It's
official
a
pretty
tier
good
list.
tier list.
If you disagree with this, you're wrong. I'm sorry. sorry to
Yeah.
say.
Yeah, you're just wrong. You're just wrong.
Honestly,
Bro, get out.
if you would put like anyone like Shy Guy below C tier or even below B tier, you're just wrong.
I know. Shy
You're
Guy
just
so
wrong if you put
low.
Shy Guy so down.
Alright, guys, what's something funny we say before the video randomly cuts off?